Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain whom to report a case of sexual harassment. So let's start with the question, whom to report a case of sexual harassment in a workplace. A country like India, it is still a very difficult task for most of the women and girls to face such cases openly and boldly, despite the fact that they do not like such activities. Nonetheless, they avoid to complain or discuss it with anyone. This weakness of women and girls encourages harassers, and the harassers take it granted. Therefore, I earnestly suggest every woman and girl, if any time you feel that someone crossing or violating your interest, be assertive and stop him then and there only. So, the first step is report harasser directly. Make him understand your interests as well as his limitation. Warn him politely by saying that your interest and his limitation shouldn't be clashed at any point of time, or else you can also report to the higher level. Now, if harasser didn't understand your language, then in such a case, next step is approach your supervisor or HR department and complain him or her. Now, if your problem still persists, then in such a case, complain to the sexual harassment committee, or in lack of the committee, complain to super boss, company owner, or such a label person. Now, points to remember. Initially, do not attempt to take help of a police or law of the court because it may be dangerous for you. However, in spite of all this, if your problem didn't get solved, then you can approach to the court. Before approaching the court, you should have sufficient evidence. Without the evidence, do not approach the court in any case. See, resigning the job is also not a solution because there is no guarantee that the next place where you will join would be free of such problem. So, dare to face that. Now, the procedure of complaining and inquiring a sexual harassment case in a workplace. The point number 1, employee victim should report the complaint to HR. Secondly, HR should initiate preliminary inquiry and make a report. HR should send the report to the committee. In lack of the committee, send to boss, employer, or owner. Committee or employer should discuss the matter in issue. Committee employer should call both parties, complainant, accused, for the face-to-face meeting. Committee employer should discuss the facts and associated evidence face-to-face. Next, committee employer should ask relevant questions to both the parties. Next, committee employer should also give chance to both the parties ask and answer each other's questions. If committee employer feels that the inquiry needs time, the next date must be fixed. No need to be hurry. If the committee employer is satisfied with the given facts and evidence, then report should be prepared. Based on the findings and evidence, committee should take the disciplinary action against the accused if he is guilty, or else against the complainant if she is lying or reported falsely.